Facet joint injury is a common cause of chronic neck pain. The inflamed facet capsule tear generates pain signals. The best treatment for facet joint pain is the Deuk plasma rhizotomy. The inflamed facet joint pain nerves are destroyed. The advantages with the Deuk plasma rhizotomy is that it's an outpatient procedure that takes 30 minutes to complete, very minimal bleeding and pain after the surgery with immediate recovery and return to work the next day, as well as a 99% success rate and permanent pain relief with a single treatment. For more details, please visit our website at www.deukspine.com or call us at 1-800-FIX-MY-NECK 349-6963.